Hi, my name's Ronan Smith and I'm the installer for this EWI project. Working in collaboration with EWI Store, I've been buying materials from EWI Store for 3 years and I couldn't be happier to work with them on this EPS onto brick install. Based over in Sanderstead in Croydon, we started this project in August 2023 and work begun with securing the EPS installation to the wall. For this, I chose a premium base coat made by EWI Pro as I find it gives a superior hold onto the substrate. Me and my team apply the adhesive using the dot and dab method with perimeter to guarantee a strong key. When it comes to fixing the boards, we know it's absolutely crucial to fit the insulation in a staggered pattern, interlocking them across the corners and cutting them into an L shape around the windows and doors. Once the adhesive has dried, it was time to secure the boards with mechanical fixings. This multi-method approach reduces the chances of the system failing to near zero. The fixings are drilled through into the brick and roughly 5 of them are used on each board. The pins were then hammered into place to be flush with the insulation. Next, it was time to install the beads. The key to a smooth finish is all in the prep, and it's vital to set your beads level and plumb. Beading is fitted around the corners and the edges and gives us confidence we're working to straight lines. With a layer of premium base coat tying in the beads, we are able to begin applying the base coat. This is perhaps the most important layer of the system because it protects the material from getting damaged by water. We use the same EWI 225 premium base coat for this because of its superior strength and how easy it is to work with. The system designer, EWI Pro, insists we use 225 in conjunction with their fiberglass mesh to give it further reinforcement. Me and my team embed the mesh into the base coat and use some of the Regal and Barnes finishing tools to achieve a smooth and level finish. The flatter we get the base coat at this stage, the better, and will allow the next stage, the top coat, to look its best. When the base coat has dried, we primed it using EWI 333 top coat primer and began the final stage of silicone render. 075 is the real deal and probably my most purchased product at the EWI store. I recommend this finish to so many of my customers because I know how clean and modern it looks. The product can be tinted in thousands of colours, and in our case the customer chose to have it in smoke with black detailing. My team are highly skilled in applying silicone render and use the circular rubbing motion to leave no trail lines. We returned to the property in February 2024 and the property has been completely transformed. The silicone render finish has increased the property value and the curb appeal, whilst the insulation will likely reduce heating costs by £1,000 a year, a huge saving for the homeowner. If you're looking for similar results on your property in South London and Surrey, I'd love you to get in touch, and with the help of EWI Store, I can transform your home in a similar way.